we got to see the idea of unit vector in detail. Now we're looking at one of the places it's been used. So that is in orthogonal trait of unit vectors. So the usage of this can be understood with the following. Read the point's location on the graph. So we have point A. Given that we know the origin, with reference to the origin, how far is it away? How will we describe it? Question is, how will we describe it? Well, we can tell that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right and 2 units up, right? So we can tell it has 4 units to right and 2 units up, or of course 4, 2. Now the same information we can represent using unit vectors. How? For that we need to understand what is a orthogonal trait of unit vector. So in simple words, ortho means right angle, trait means 3 angles. So we have 3 1 unit long lines which are mutually perpendicular to each other. So basically, for example, this are making an angle of 90 degree with respect to each other. Okay. Now, when we have such a setup and we draw vectors like this, let me show that. This is our first unit vector, second unit vector, and this is our third unit vector. Right, guys? So this is, say, along the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So this 3 pair forms our orthogonal trait of unit vectors. That's it. Okay, how do we make use of this is something that we'll learn in time. So there are a few things that we need to know. We know that we represent the unit vector with a cap. So along the x-axis, the unit vector is given a special name, that's I cap. Along the y-axis, it's j cap, and along the z-axis is k cap. Okay, so these are facts that we need to know, right? So this is a very small introduction. We'll understand how exactly to represent this vector A using the orthogonal trait of unit vectors in the next video. For now, just copy the heading. And here, please copy everything.